I just wanted to show you some rounds I got here for from the National Guard, most of them. Not all, but most of them. I can start with this. This isn't from the Hemvärn or National Guard. It's from it's to a 22 Magnum rifle for fox hunting. Use them for fox hunting. Hollow points, really well good for fox hunting. This isn't from the National Guard as well. They are for when you are butchering at home on the farm, or when you're gonna kill a pig or a cow or something like that. You use these ones. They are basically, I don't know what can it be, for caliber, maybe 9mm. You put this in the bolt gun. You fire it, then it pushes the bolt into the head of the animal you want to put down. So I got different here. I don't know if you can see on the shit camera, but one is green and one is yellow. I don't remember right now what it is, but they are color coded. Let's say, I don't know if it's so, but we said yellow for pig, green is for bigger animals, like cows. It may be the opposite, but yeah, you know what I mean. I don't use them longer. We are not allowed to use that method anymore, so I'm not gonna have any animal killed by this, so don't worry if I got them mixed up. This is it's blue. It's to grenade rifle, practice round, so you can click. Same as this. This is fired. Then we have the 5.56 NATO round, as we use in our Defense Forces main battle rifle. We call them AK5s. They're made in Belgium. I think they are fall rifles. I think so. If you want to see how they look, Google Swedish AK5. Then you see how they look. Our Defense Forces use them in Afghanistan and on other missions. These two are live, and these two is practice rounds. It's the tip is made of wood. I haven't seen these used in America. I may be wrong, but you plug the barrel with a screw, you can call it maybe. When you shoot this, these are gonna splinter against the end of the barrel, so nothing flies out. Use them on exercise and things like that when you're playing war. These two are for our other battle rifle, the predecessor for the AK5, the AK4, that our Hemvärn, our National Guard, uses. It's 7.62. We are as well using them in our KSB 58 or heavy machine gun. This is used as well in our lighter machine gun, KSP 90. KSP 90. These are big ass rounds from a Mauser rifle, used now as only in competitions, but the National Guard use this until maybe let's see here, let's see, the beginning of the 90s. We used bolt action rifles in our National Guard. Then we got the military's old AK-4s, 7.62. Our National Guards have signed a contract to use each rifle for 100 years. So they used the Mauser for about 100 years. So now we're stuck with the AK-4 for let's see here, 80 years more. But it's a good rifle, a little bit heavier, but it packs a punch. It's closely related to Heckler & Koch G3. You can Google that as well. And this is 9mm tracer rounds. White tips. We used 9mm in our submachine guns in the military a long time, and we stockpiled much submachine gun ammo, 9mm. Then, when we switched over to lighter rounds or with longer range, things like that, we got stuck with a lot of 9mm cartridges. So, but we needed a new handgun, a new secondary weapon. So then we looked at the Defense Forces looked at guns you can take to shoot submachine gun 9mm. That's why we signed a contract and bought Glock 17s for our secondary handgun. They can take to shoot 9mm submachine gun, which not the Nauhausen that I use when I compete wouldn't take. Probably some of them, but they have a tendency to crack when you shoot too much of submachine guns rounds. So this is leftovers for the submachine gun tracer rounds. Okay, 9mm tracer rounds, Mauser rounds, AK-4 rounds, dummies, AK-5, 5.56, 223 NATO, same but live, 5.56, 22 long rifle Magnum, 22 Magnum I mean, Fox rounds, at least really good at them, at Fox. Some practice stuff and butchering rounds. Okay, bye, see you.